Thank you.
Squirt it in my mouth.
That's staying in.
Oh, you're
Yeah. Hey there, mustachios. Welcome back and thank you for watching Mustache Airsoft. First off, I want to say I'm really sorry about the 2-month hiatus. I did break my ribs the last time I played, so I need a little bit of time to recover. However, I'm slinging BBs again, and I want to give a huge shout out to River City Airsoft in Richmond, Virginia, for allowing me to come out and have a wonderful time. Guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Remember, Airsoft is an honor sport. Hey! I usually have an extra armband so I can swap when it looks really bad. Are you able to grab me a green one? This shit is like...
Yeah, because I just had 2 more guys and I was just watching and I was like, yeah, this is pretty rough. Yeah. So I might just honestly just call it and then get these 2 guys in there. But I can switch you for this game as well.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah. I'll meet you in that spot, okay?
Okay.
I will.
Yeah. It's Mustache Airsoft.
I think I've seen this before.
Probably. I appreciate it. As soon as he puts a band on me, I'll be out there. You'll see me running.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Go in and out.
Huh?
I said go in and out.
Okay. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. Thank you. Watch stuff, watch stuff.
I'm so sorry. Derek just hit you in the dick. Oh, so close. I'm so sorry. My bad. For real.
Good throw! Good throw! Oh, that hit. Did it hit you in the head? What's up, bro? Go, 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 go! Good. That's me. Oh, it's not a trade. Oh, sorry, sorry. I didn't see your hand. Hit. Good shit.
Team kill, team kill, team kill. That's all that is. Team kill, team kill, team kill, team kill.
You're dead.
Guys, honestly, thank you for watching the video. If you can leave a like, maybe subscribe, I don't know, no pressure. I do have another video coming out for Balahack Airsoft. If you've actually played there, then you're going to be in for a pretty big surprise. The field is changing quite a bit, so it's going to look a lot more different than usual. Anyways, peace out, guys.